Hey, so I just wanted to try a little bit of an unboxing, but I've been following this website called County Com. I bought a couple little glow-in-the-dark items from them. They have some really cool little devices, but they had this little package which was like $100 to buy. So this is the Mega Big Daddy VIP Mystery Swag Package. With tax, it came about $111. So anyways, thought I'd just check it out and open it up and see what was inside it and just share it with everybody else. All right, so let's just crack into it. See what we got. This thing weighs a ton as well, so it's got some good weight to it. It's one of those things that you never know what you're gonna get out of this thing, so I think it's a little bit of overstock that they have on their website. And so give me a second to crack this open. All right, A+ on packaging, because they just put it in nice and tight. So you can see everything in it is in there really tight. So I just thought I'd just start pulling things out, see what it is. So the first item, so it looks like a nice little beanie. I can definitely use that. I've been doing bike rides and walks in pretty cold weather. That is actually perfect timing for that. All right, so it looks like these are, if I know their website well enough, I don't know, I make some guesses what they are. I was gonna say they're coasters. I think that's what they are. Yeah, so they're like a heavy rubber coaster. So it looks like I got 2 of those, or 4 of those, so it comes 2 in a package. I have no idea what that is. So I'm gonna come back to some of this. So it looks like there's just some random things there. So that looks like a keychain. I don't have the best eyes. So that's, once I figure out what these are, I will absolutely put them on as it opens up. Whoa, oh, don't lose it. Oh, this is like a grappling. It's like a mini grappling. So these things go inside this. Now I have a reason to, whatever this thingy is, pull that out of the wood there. But yeah, you can sort of see that it turns into a little bit of like a mini grappling. Not sure why you would use that or what you would use that for. Maybe to pick up some things that maybe, you can see what that is. All right, so this is the Pico Micro grappling hook. So you just tie it off, you can drop it down, you can use it to pick up things, drop, if it falls down a storm drain or whatnot. Just a fun little, titanium based, grappling hook that you can use to pick things up. You can break that down, obviously, put these things back inside and just sort of carry it as like a little kit that you can have. These just look like those wire, like keychain things that you can sort of put in there. So we got some stickers, so you can sort of see like their logo, what they are. It's like a glow in the dark. It's like a glow in the dark, just like a wand or keychain, so you can put that on like a backpack, so that sticks out. These glow in the darks are awesome. They really stick out. County Com Inc., Sunnyvale, California, promo code. Patch, I always love a good patch. So cert, some more stickers. Looks like we got some really tiny parts in there. So it's one of their oh, so it's a lighter. So they got one of those lighters. Yeah, so that'll be awesome. Gotta fill it up. So we've got a lighter. That's always great having a survival kit. So I'm sure that's more wick, and that's a more ferro rod for that. So that's perfect. Can always use those. I love fire starting kits. I'm just barely making a dent. So it looks like some para 50 or 550 paracord. Something green. Got another cert patch. And that is a Robotics Inc. titanium cage. Looks like a blade. I'll have to, I don't know if that goes with something else that's in here. All right, so this is a little, it's a titanium, like a pry bar, like a breacher. So you can throw this in your molly on your backpack. So you have, access, so you can use that as like a flathead. It's got a little bit of sharp blade, but just something like an easy access, flat knife or pry bar that you can use, and that's titanium. So that's what that is. This stuff is heavy. I have no idea what this stuff is. So it's that same Maritac. So I don't know if this goes in with that. So I'll probably have to look up on the website. And if I can figure out what it is on the website, I'll try to film a little bit more what that is. All right, so this is a DIY hobby hand kit. So it just goes through as like a base, but you can put it together so you have like the different arms. So you have a bunch of arms in there. And so you can build up, so let's say if you do like fly fishing, you could hold like the fly and do the tying off the fly. They use it as like a DIY second hand type of thing. So you have like the clip on the end to be able to hold things, work off a project mat. But that's what that is like a small, like a DIY project, hand kit. All right, bigger items. Knife for that. All right, so another just like a bag. So you got the front pockets, plenty of place in the back. I use these things all the bloody time. They're great for packing, just putting extra gear. So it's like a pleather like storage bag. Again, another great thing for just zipper pouch. All right, this is like a glow in the dark, just like a desk mat. So to keep a lot of your EDC gear. So a place to throw things. It's got like a non-stick or sticky, feel to it, so that's all glow in the dark. Trauma shears, perfect. I can always use more of those. Another like glow in the dark tag. You can also, write on that. Just stick that on your, bags, your luggage, or whatnot. So it looks like these are glow in dark. You get like a piece there. Oh, so that's even got the Velcro already on it. So you can attach that to anything. So that can go on a bag. So another place to, another glow in the dark material. Keep that easily to see in the night, especially with a lot of the bags these days have little places for Velcro patches. So having like a little glow-in-the-dark patch, I'll absolutely use that. All right, get down to the bottom here. It's like a, oh, sweet, little knife. Little titanium knife. I think these blades are actually replaceable, quite sharp, like more like a surgical knife. A little carrying pouch for that. So that's perfect. My guess is that is the replaceable blades. Yep, yeah, you can see it. So those are some of the blades. So they actually give me a few blades as well. Nice, there's a ton of blades. Perfect. And almost done. Another one of those little keychains. I think those are just beads. Yeah, those are perfect, like little paracord beads. You can tie those things in for paracord, for knots. Those are always fun to have. So that is it. I will look back on a couple of these things. If I find out any more detail on a couple of these things, like this guy, I'll cut that in. So that is it for about 100 bucks. Not a bad little kit. Thanks. All right, just to wrap this whole thing up, obviously I've moved some things around as I've done some research on them, but I will have a link to all the items in here and the rough price that I saw on their website. But the grand total came to about $300.88. So if you were to buy all this stuff separately off of their website, it comes to about $300. So gives you a good idea of, for $100, what you can get. These things are random, so every single time you buy one of these, I think they come out differently. But some pretty good products for about 100 bucks, and I will probably use majority of this stuff. So thanks a lot. Bye.